Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Android phone. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So alright, first of all, open the settings app on your Android device. To open that, normally scroll down and find settings on your app list, or you can open it by swiping down the notification bar and choosing this gear icon on the top right corner. So I'm choosing settings from here, and then you will see the settings interface, and here if you scroll down a bit you will get an option here that is display and brightness. Just normally choose it, and here you will see the theme option. Normally choose the dark mode to change into it. So here you can see that I have selected dark mode and the theme has been changed into it. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to change dark mode on your Android device. And I'm going to show you another way to do that. Normally swipe down the notification bar and swipe down again, and here you will see an option. Just swipe left and here you will get that option. Here you can see that dark mode is turned on. You can normally turn it off or on from here. If I turn it off, then the theme is going to be changed into light. If I turn it on, then the theme is going to be changed into dark. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to change your theme on Android easily. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.